Yeah.
Okay, trying to do a video to try to better illustrate the issue that we're having with these bolts with the airbag here. So if you look at the procedure for the airbag itself, it shows that the bolts that attach it are listed as replacement bolts. Now it also has where it basically goes and calls out the bolts in a call out B and a call out A. So if we come over and if we look at the parts list, we can see that number 13 is the A call out, and then there's some of these other ones. I believe number 8's the clip, number 11 is a bolt, but it's a smaller bolt, and there's only, I think, 2 of them per side. And then the issue that we're having is these are the 2 types of bolts that we took off of the airbag. One of them has a small washer, one of them has a large washer. There were, I believe, 8 of these, and there were 6 of these. Nowhere on this sheet does it show a bolt where there was a call out for 6 or 12 or anything like that. The only exception is this Torex bolt, which is right here, that we think is for the impact sensor in the modules, which is number 12, which we also ordered those as well too. So the issue is we have trying to figure out what to do with this bolt with the large washer. If we go and we look, and if you look at the illustration where I have this highlighted, is the same locations where they have the B bolts highlighted on the actual procedure itself. If we look, and if you look at it real closely, there's protrusions on the back of the illustration where it looks like a bolt would go. So we highlighted that there would be 3 quote-unquote B bolts in the back, about 2 in the front across the top, and then 1 B bolt at the bottom. So now if we look at the airbag on the opposite side, we can see we have one of the bolts with the small washer, and then we have that's a small washer, and then we have 3 of the bolts with the large washer, which is basically congruent with what's on the parts illustration and what's on the repair information. And then if we look up here, I believe we have another one with a large washer here, and then that's another one with a large washer there, and I believe the other one with the large washer, I think, is right up in here. So that's the issue. We don't want to put the wrong airbag bolt back in that customer's car. So we wanted to see, we're not seeing any part number for that quote-unquote B bolt with the large washer. So any help that could be provided would be ultimately really appreciated. There's, customers in a rental, they're anxious to get their car back, but we can't, put their safety in jeopardy. So thank you.